Optical fiber. What is optical fiber? An optical fiber is a flexible, transparent fiber made of high-quality glass, silica, or plastic, slightly thicker than a human hair. Optical fibers are widely used in fiber optic communications, which permits transmission over longer distances and at high bandwidth data rates than other forms of communication. Fibers are used instead of metal wires because signals travel along them with less loss, and they are also safe to electromagnetic interference. History of fiber optics. Fiber optics is not really a new technology, it's fairly old. Welding of light by refraction, the print that makes fiber optics possible, was first demonstrated by Daniel Colladon and Jacques Babinet in Paris in the early 1840s. Uses of optical fiber. Fiber optic can accommodate variety of needs. It can be used in communication, fiber optics, sensors, illumination, medical, and also in other places where bright lights needs to be shown on a target without a clear line of sight. Use it in building to route sunlight from the roof to other parts of the building, and many more usages, but we will only discuss use of optical fiber in communication here. In communication, optical fiber can be used as a medium for telecommunication and computer networking because it is flexible and can be bundled as cables. It is especially advanced tajos for long distance communication because light propagates through the fiber with little attenuation compared to electrical cables. The per channel light signals propagating in the fiber have been modulated at rates as high as 111 gigabits per gigabit second by NTT, L tau 10 or 40 bits is typical. In June 2030, researchers demonstrated transmission of 400 gigabits over a single channel. Benefits of optical fiber. For short distance applications such as network in a office building, fiber optic cabling can save space in cable ducts. This is because a single fiber can carry much more data than electrical cables such as standard category 5 Ethernet cabling, which typically runs at 100 megabits second or 1 gigabit second speeds. Fiber is also immune to electrical interference. There is no cross-talk between signals in different cables and no pickup of any environmental noise. Non-armored fiber cables do not conduct electricity, which makes fiber a good solution for protecting communication equipment in high voltage environment such as power generation facilities or metal communication structures phone to lighting strikes. They can also be used in environments where explosive fumes are present without danger or of ignition. Modes of propagation. Single mode, there is only one put for light to take down the cable. gliding mid-mode if there is more than one pod. Structure of single-mode fiber. 1 core 8 U diameter, 2 gliding 125 U dia, 3 buffer 250 dia, 4 jacket 400 dia. Types of optical fiber cable. Did you know a small optical fiber can carry more data than a large copper cable? It is unidirectional technology. Advantages of optical fiber over conventional copper system. Broadband communication is very much possible over fiber optics, which means that audio signal, video signal, microwave signal, text, and the data from computers, it is possible to transmit around 3 million full duplex voice or 90,000 TV channels over one optical fiber. Electrical insulator. Optical fiber aramid and drawn from silica glass, which is non-conductor of electricity, and so there are no ground loops and the leakage of any type of current. Optical fiber are thus laid down along with high voltage cables on the electricity poles due to its electrical insulator behavior. Immunity to electromagnetic interference. The optical fiber is electricity non-conductive, so it does not act as an antenna to pick up electromagnetic signals which may be present nearby. Optical fiber in SIA. Optical fiber a highly reliable system for transmitting data over long distance. With low loss, optical fiber link can transmit the signal over distances of tens of kilometers without amplifiers. Optical fiber yarn of optically transparent materials, glass, plastic, used to transfer light inside by total internal reflection. Hydrophobic aggregates are used in communication cables for water swelling properties. Central strand element SCCA, steel wire of fiberglass rod inside the dielectric optical cable, twisted around with which the optical modules serves to reinforce the structure of the cable under the influence of various loads, including wind loads and tension loads. Absolute protection from electrical interference, complete absence of radiation, unauthorized connections to the cables is almost impossible. Speed data transmission via fiber optic system in from 1 to 10 gigabit second allows you to transmit information over long distance, far and exposing safety, small size and weight, high reliability optical media, optical fiber do not oxidize, do not get wet, are not subject to the weak electromagnetic interference. The relative fragility of optical fiber, or if a strong bending of the cable may break fibers of turbidity due to the appearance of micro cracks. Complexity compounds in case of breakage, complex manufacturing process of both the fiber and the fiber optic link components. Price, the complexity of signal conversion, dimming fiber with time due to again devices, optical distribute frame box to connect fiber optic cable with standard connectors. Cables leave a device for mechanical and electrical connection, cables in the cable line, and for connecting it to electrical insulation and the power lines. The multiplexer device that allows using light beams with different wavelengths lines to transmit on the same communication line of multiple different data streams. Welding machine, a device for connecting optical fiber lines. Welding or coarse electrocution. Thank you.